Today, I want to talk about a fantastic opportunity to earn extra money online without spending a dime. That's right, we're going to explore free ways to make money on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com. Understanding the platforms. Before we dive into the strategies, let's quickly understand what these platforms are. Fiverr, Upwork, and freelancer.com are online marketplaces where freelancers offer their services to clients worldwide. From writing and editing to web development and graphic design, you can find a wide range of skills represented on these platforms. Free ways to earn. Now, let's get to the exciting part: how to earn money for free. Create a compelling profile. Your profile is your digital first impression. Make sure it's professional, showcases your skills effectively, and highlights your unique selling points. Use keywords relevant to your services to improve your visibility. Build a strong portfolio. Even if you're starting, you can create a portfolio to showcase your abilities. Offer free or discounted services to past clients or friends. To build your initial portfolio, leverage social media. Social media is a powerful tool. Share your profile, services, and completed projects on platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. Engage with potential clients and build relationships. Master the art of bidding. On platforms like Upwork and Freelancer, you'll often need to bid on projects. Craft compelling proposals that highlight your qualifications and demonstrate your understanding of the client's needs. Offer exceptional customer service. Satisfied clients are your best advertisement. Go the extra mile to deliver high-quality work and exceed client expectations. Positive reviews can significantly boost your earnings. Network effectively. Attend industry events, join online forums, and connect with other freelancers. Networking can lead to valuable collaborations and referrals. Continuous learning. The online world is constantly evolving. Stay updated on industry trends and acquire new skills to remain competitive. Remember, building a successful freelancing career takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and focus on providing value to your clients. By following these free strategies, you can increase your chances of landing projects and earning a steady income.